Welcome to Pasta FAZOOL. Today we're here at Summit Pizza and I'm going to show you guys how to make a penne pasticcio. So stick around. Be right back. Welcome back. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a quick bechamel sauce, which is very easy. A little bit of butter. Go in here. Put some butter in here. Put maybe just a little drop of garlic, just a little bit, just to give it a little taste. And let that melt. Make it really quick. Throw a little bit of flour in there. This is a quick bechamel sauce. Making this for years. Make it happen like this. Get some milk. Put it in there. We wait until it thickens up a little bit. Once this thickens up, a little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. Some people throw in white pepper, but I don't have any white pepper, so I'm just going to throw a little bit of black pepper in there. That's good enough. As soon as that thickens up, we're going to start with the pasticcio, which is a very simple and fast dish. We've been doing this for years here, Summit Pizza. And I'll show you right now. See the bechamel getting thickened up already? Give it a few minutes, thickens up. Give it a little taste. I have a spoon around, so. Maybe just a little bit more salt. Okay, here's this. See how thick that is? That's done. We'll put this on the side. Next, over here in Summit Pizza, we have all the pastas ready. So in your case, you would have to boil some pasta. I said maybe like half a pound of pasta, and boil it for like maybe 10 minutes. All right, put it on the side. So we take it. I'll take it from there. Here's the pasta. I'm going to use penne. That's usually what we use over here when we make the pasticcio. Hot water. What I do is over here we make it really quick. We make it right into the dish. Over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it really slowly. First put the pasta. You come here. Get a few pieces of ham. Your favorite ham. If you don't like ham, you could use, I don't know, maybe turkey. But this is how we make the pasticcio here. I usually use about 2 pieces of ham. Your favorite ham. Virginia ham or just regular ham. Chop it up in little pieces. Throw it in. Some mushrooms. Okay. Then we throw in bechamel sauce. Right inside. Okay. A little bit of parmesan cheese. A little bit of tomato sauce. A little bit of mozzarella inside. Or you can use some provolone. You know what? Sometimes customers, they ask for provolone, so we give them provolone. We get 2 pieces of provolone in it. 1 and 2. Chop it up. Get a little bit of that cheese paste in there. Always put enough grated cheese in there, parmigiana. That gives it a great taste. And you mix that up. Get the mushroom, you got the ham, you got the penne, and just throw it right inside the dish. When you got this done, A little bit more grated cheese on top. And that's done. That's gonna go in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. And I'll be right back when this is done. Okay, it should be done by now. It's 10 minutes. How do you know it's done? You come here, let me show you. See? See the provolone and the bubbling and the provolone already all melted and everything? Yep, that's done. Let's go and we'll plate it up. Well, I'm gonna plate it up over here because my cameraman, my son over here, wants of course, a plate of that. But usually, we just wrap this up with some bread, and out it goes on delivery. The customer takes it home. And here it goes. See? Look at this. See the cheese in there, mushroom, and all the ham and everything. Yeah, there it goes. This is, by the way, this is so delicious. You guys got to do this. Very simple, fast, quick. Takes us about 3 minutes to do over here. Whenever the customer calls, and you can get about 3 dishes out of that. It's about, I say about 10 ounces of pasta, a couple of ham, a couple pieces of ham, a couple pieces of provolone, a mushroom. You get about three plates out of that. And let me give it a taste. I know how it is already because I've been doing this for years. Oh, it's incredible. I usually like to put a little more grated cheese on that. Okay, and that's it. Hope you guys had a good time with me. I had a good time making this video over here. I hope you guys give it a try. Give it a shot. I tell you, you're gonna love this pasta over here. It's really, really, really good. And hey, thanks for being with me over here for a couple of minutes, for a little while. Keep on coming, watch my videos, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. This is Andy from Pasta FAZOOL. Bye-bye. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta FAZOOL! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.